Artificial intelligence will change the future of work in the United States, but the consequences will differ across regions and industries. As with vast advances in automation, AI will lead to increase the level of productivity, specialization in job roles, and an increased importance of human skills like creativity, problem solving, and quantitative skills. Also, AI will increase economic growth, then gains will not be evenly distributed. Rural communities that already face high level of job insecurity will come under additional strain. Artificial intelligence technologies are the center of an unfolding global technology revolution that could affect the well-being and security of people everywhere. The United States is working to ensure AI technologies are developed by responsibility and used as a force for good, helping to make Americans and people around the world safer, more secure, and more prosperous. Improved business automation, increased regulations, as AI could shift the perspective on certain legal questions depending on how generative AI lawsuits unfold in 2025. The second one, the climate change concerns. On a far greater scale, AI is poised as to have a major effect on sustainability, climate change, and environmental issues. The third one, AI in manufacturing. Manufacturing has been benefiting from AI for years, with AI enabled robotics arms and other manufacturing bots. The fourth one here, AI in healthcare. It may seem unlike, but all healthcare is already changing that way humans interact with medical providers.